Hello students, today we are going to learn how to speak English fluently. Daily use English question and answers. First one is, what is your name? My name is Pooja. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Where are you going? I am going to market. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Do you speak English? Yes, I do speak English. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your job? I am a student. What are you doing? I am reading books. Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. How is she? She beautiful. How old are you? I am 16 years old. When is your birthday? In December. How was the movie? Not so bad. So these are the question and answer which are used in daily conversation. Follow for daily updates @educator PD03 and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.